Hey everyone, welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how Relevance AI transforms customer service. So let me just show you. First, you need to head over to your tools section. So basically, this is the heart of this Relevance AI platform. So what you can do from here is you can see if I simply type in here, create an automated customer support bot. Once I do that, click on start. Now it is going to be asking you a couple of questions, which is going to be tailoring our bot exactly to our customer demands and their possible question. Like for example, it is going to be for WhatsApp, and secondly, it is um, going to solve general queries, right? Just hold on a bit. It does it magic. It is going to be asking you some question. So create an automated customer support bot for WhatsApp to handle general customer queries. Is there a specific knowledge base or FAQs source the bot should use? So nothing special, right? Okay, so now our bot should be almost good to go. Now all we need to do here is connect our WhatsApp. So it is doing its magic. Just hold on a bit. Let me just show you how you can actually run this tool. So once it does, alright, so basically our model is good to go. Now all we need to do is simply click on this to chat account, and we need to add an account. Once we do that, and our customer service is ready to go, fully automated. To access Relevance AI, you can use the link in the description below.